Hello guys, do you want to swap faces? Do you want to change background? Do you want to change anything, remove, add through your just selection? PixVerse AI modify tool is going to give you this facility. Link in video description. You can easily join to explore their website and other function. And if you want to join, you can use your Google ID to create your account. Now we are going to come and here is face swap feature. So how it works, for that you can come on the modify feature that has been given here, and you have to upload the video first of all that you want to swap. Yes, here you need to select the video like I have already selected here, and now we have to choose one function. That is swap, and here once a video will be analyzed, you come in this selection and choose which thing in your video that you want to change. I have selected the person with that you want to swap. You can also upload the picture too. Here I have selected that first girl should be converted into second girl that has already in the glasses, and select the resolution thereof, peak, mid, their count, and after I selected the PixVerse Live version 5.5, this is a model, click on the create option. And in this queue, you will also check after result how it works, and it is really very cool design that we have made. Like this was the original, and there is also the final result. You can easily explore here. Final result, each and everything in full detail they have colored. Now we are going to changing this gaming chair into sofa. For that, you can also upload the video, and then you can also come in the add function, choose the selection here. I have selected here to like gaming chair that I want to change and add some sofa. So I have to select here, and there is my sofa picture I want to replace in my video. And after that, you can also select the resolution that is also 720p, and after click on the create option, you will also get the quick result on it. Because there is also the final result that are really awesome and mind-blowing that you can download. You can also upscale to this was original video, and there you can also check out the result too. And now is the really good thing for you that you can do quick editing as well. Now I am going to removing this gaming chair from the video. So as I have already downloaded my video, so I need to upload here. That was original, and in the gaming section like gaming chair, I need to remove, so I have to select the gaming chair first of all from this video. So here is also the selection, and now we have to just select the resolution of video and click on the create option, and it will take no time to change it. And here you can see gaming chair has been removed, and you can also find the final result as well, because this can also be compared to. It is also the thing that you can use in your video to remove any person, any character. Now we are going to changing simple video into anime character. So for that we need to upload the video, and here is my video that I want to change. And there is also video is a restyle with. There are different character, 3D animation, there is 2D animation, there are also ink, there's cyberpunk, bark, add, sketch, and many other. So here I'm going to selecting here 3D animation. And after select the resolution for this video and click on the create, and quick result will be shown. Because this is PixVerse AI modify tool, just need to select it and then you will get your best result. And you can also see here, this is PixVerse AI making your video into anime. And now we can also change the background for the picture or video. For that you can also upload a video that you want to use for background change. I have selected here, and after selected next one, you can also use the feature like type anything. I want to remove background and change it to helicopter with mountain. This is what I want. And I have given here all this detail, and after select the resolution, we need to click on the create option. And you will also get in queue, and result is really awesome. And this is also something that you need to understand. So I hope you are clear and you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next video, and check out link in video description.